In crowded city apartments, beginners grow peppers, greens, and herbs in compact containers using sunspots, drainage, and vertical shelves for space efficiency. A hobby garden forms a soothing weekend ritual with a small seedling station, weekly soil checks, and a dedicated corner that nurtures patience and joy. Plants boost health, air purification, mood elevation, and mindful breathing during tending, turning every balcony into a quiet, restorative wellness retreat. Practical home order tips include a natural cleaning routine using vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils, plus daily 10-minute tidy and reset rituals. Closet organization and handy tools like folding organizers, labeled jars, and a compact cleaning caddy keep urban living simple and sustainable.